Welcome. So in this short video, we will have a short look at the Bitfinex Ether account. We can see here that this account just 1 day and 9 hours ago made a transaction out to this other address here. And they paid a fee of 7,600 Ether. And that is quite interesting. So you can see here, they were doing an ERC20 token transfer. They were transferring about 101,000 US dollars. And they paid a transaction fee of almost 22 million US dollars. So they were transferring 100,000 US dollars, but paid 22 million US dollars in fees. And that's, yeah, quite high. So we could just speculate here why that happened. So if there was a programming bug that the priority fee was set to high, if it was human error, if somebody just didn't check and set it to high, or if it even was money laundering, that they knew exactly who was mining the block and who was getting the transaction fee. So quite interesting here. But still, it's like a lot for it. It doesn't obviously make economical sense. Paying 22 million US dollars in order to send 101 US dollars. So that's, like I said, quite interesting here. We all know that the ETH network is very expensive, but obviously it's not that expensive. So we can see here the transaction fee, and like I said, so either was a wrong setting, or we can only all just speculate. So we can see here it was being sent to Diversify 2, so just another service, I guess. So I don't know the service here, but they registered, and to this account here. Yeah, right. So that's thus far it for this video. So I hope you thought it was interesting to know. At least this is at least for me, like, well, year to date, like the most expensive transaction fee I've seen so far. All right, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.